Story with Mr. James.
Our book is Shake Dem Halloween Bones by Nicola Lisa. Take us away, DJ Bones.
It's Halloween night. The city is quiet, the city is still. But as the lights go down, the music comes up. I said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones at the hip-hop Halloween ball. Hey, little red, so sweet, so good. You sure can shake that riding hood. Come on, little red, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? Now here comes Jack with his couch to sell. Did you ever think Jack could dance so well? Come on, little Jack, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? I said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones at the hip-hop Halloween ball. Hey, Mr. Pig, dancing all alone. Did you chase that wolf from your fine brick home? Come on, sweet pig, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair hang down. Come on out of your tower and shake it all around. Come on, little Rapunzel, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? I said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones at the hip-hop Halloween ball. Hey, Cinderella, it's a 11:45. You better get shaken before they ring that bell. Come on, little Rella, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? The last one's Cat with his big old boots. He's stomping the floor and he's shaking the roof. Come on, big cat, won't you dance with me at the hip-hop Halloween ball? I said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones. Said a shake, 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 shake them bones at the hip-hop Halloween ball.
Art with Miss Jess.
What a wicked cool book that was. Oh, I'm so excited for Halloween. I can't wait. You know what reminds me most about Halloween? Pumpkins. We should decorate some paper pumpkins together.
Supplies: paper, tempera paint, markers, Q-tips, and scissors.
Now let's take our Q-tips and decorate. Dip them right in the paint. I like to make polka dots, kind of like Yaoi Kusama. Also, another great way to do it is wiggles and squiggles. There you go, a Halloween pumpkin.
Gym with Coach Chris.
Hi Gymtime friends, Coach Chris here. Wanted to wish everybody a happy Halloween. I think that today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a mummy walk. Mummies are pretty cool. So first we're going to put our arms straight out. And when we walk, we're going to kick our legs real straight. So we're going to walk just like this. We're going to try it 10 times. Here we go, let's walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 9, and 10. Those are mummy walks. I hope that you try them a couple of times this week and enjoy your Halloween and have fun getting some candy. See you later, guys.
Kitchen with Miss Sheena and Mr. Pierce.
Hi, and welcome to Kitchen Little. I'm Chef Sheena, and I'm gonna show you how to make a spooky snack. We're gonna make a jar of bones. So what you're gonna need for your jar of bones today is some canned biscuit dough, a little flour, a rolling pin, a pizza cutter, some melted butter, and a brush are optional, but I'm gonna use them today. I'm gonna start out by taking some flour and sprinkling a little on my surface here, and then sprinkling some on top of my biscuit dough just so that it doesn't stick. I'm going to roll my biscuit dough out until it's nice and flat. You want it to stretch out to about double the size of that biscuit and get it nice and flat. If your biscuit dough sticks, that's okay, just add a little more flour. Next, I'm going to take my pizza cutter and just cut it into strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my dough, roll it in between my hands so that it really looks like a bone. And I'm going to take the ends and tie them in a knot. Just like that. Now tie the other side in a knot. Just like that. And lay it out on a lined sheet pan. Remember to set your oven to about 375 degrees. And if you have some short ones like this, you can just stretch them out just like that. The ends are just a little bit shorter. And I'm going to tie them in a knot. Again, if it breaks, that's okay. You just kind of stick it back together. Just like that. And then once you get them all lined on your cookie sheet, you can brush them with a little melted butter. And then bake them in the oven for about 10 to 11 minutes. And there you have it, some golden brown bones. Yeah? You can even try it with some dipping sauces. I have some marinara or some strawberry jam because it's bloody delicious.
Steam with Miss Sarah.
Hi friends! Today in science class, we're gonna make one of my favorite things. We're gonna make ooey gooey slime. Woo! It's just so fun. Now, is slime a solid? Is it a liquid? It's actually neither. It's its own special name. It's called a non-Newtonian fluid. Pretty cool, right? That means it can feel like a solid, and it can ooze and goose just like a liquid. And it doesn't have its own shape. It takes on whatever shape its container is. Pretty cool, right? Well, should we make some? Let's go do it.
Music with Mr. Alex.
Connected to the ankle bones connected to the leg bone, them bones, them bones, them thigh bones. Leg bones connected to the knee bones connected to the thigh bones connected to the hip bones, them bones, them bones, them thigh 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 bones. Hip bones connected to the backbone's connected to the neck bone's connected to the shoulder bone, them bones, them bones, them thigh bones. Shoulder bone's connected to the arm bone's connected to the hand bone's connected to the finger bone, them bones, them bones, them thigh bones, them bones.